I'm back. I told you guys I was gonna show you guys how to get started, like the thing says, with find your meal plan. I wish this camera would just tap in. There you go. There it is. You guys can see it. So, okay, once you get logged into my link on the website, on Herbalife's website, look at that. This is that new product, man. We got that coming in. I'm about to get that. That look good. Make some waffles, muffins, and good stuff like that. Make some bacon goods. Protein bacon mix. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
I'm praying for my wolves, laying on my fools. Mama told me, boy, you better take it slow. All this business on my mind, tryna mind my business. This life that I'm living, I'm just tryna live it. I'm praying for my wolves, laying on my fools. Mama told me, boy, you better take it slow. All this business on my mind, tryna mind my business. This life that I'm living, I'm just tryna live it. Trying to find my purpose and how I'm living. I'm tired of getting involved in all these decisions. My dogs ain't even following my visions. It's problems I can't solve with all these riches. They look what I'm whipping, look at the crib, but they didn't listen. They acting different, say I ain't gotta think I'm a magician. Who is your kid?
Yeah, they got some promotions going on too. But once you get signed in, you see all of these little tablets over there on the side. All that stuff. You guys are gonna be overwhelmed with information and products. It's crazy. And discounts and money making ways. But check it out. You're gonna click on this bottom tab here where it says nutrition. You're gonna go there and it's gonna take you bing, over here where you're gonna want to get started. And this is where it's gonna do. It's gonna take you to first meal plan. And then it's gonna go to meal builder mode, easy, featured recipes. Wait, can you see that? Oh, there it is. Watch this, featured posts, blah, blah, blah. If you would like to, you can search their recipes and they will give you different recipes and different ways and different stuff to cook up yourself. But we're gonna click here to start a meal plan. So, all right, we're back after my camera died. I mean, the battery died one time, but see, what are you going to want to do, if that made sense? Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Find your meal plan. 1 of 3. Check it out. What do you want to do? I want to lose weight. I want to maintain my weight. I want to gain weight. That's for you muscle head motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But let's see. Most common thing people want to do is they want to lose weight. And I'm sure you're watching this, you probably want to lose weight. So we can click on that one. And if you want to do something else other than lose weight, you want to gain or maintain your weight, then you can just click on the link in the description of the video that I have set on this video here somewhere down the line. Click on it and go to nutrition on the website, the web page, and you will find this same page right here. You see other things too up top. Your meal plans, find recipe, learning resources. Those are for you people that are like me, well, maybe better than, that want to excel a lot faster in this Herbalife world. You're going to want to go click on here and get some information, learning resources, regional recipes. I have no idea what that is, but if you want to know, you can find out. But yeah, for you people that are signed up in the downline that click the link in the description of the video and want to become distributors with Herbalife and make and save money and eat healthy, then you did that. All right, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to click on here. I want to lose weight. So next step, it says, are you, there's a little message here. It says, I don't really want to read all that because it's going to take forever for us to get through this. So you're going to want to read that if you really want to take your time to really build. See, counting calories and your meal plan for protein and get what your body needs for, you know, suit each person by gender. The best plan for your weight, height, size, point blank, period. So are you a man or are you a woman? I am going to click on I am a man. All right, a lot more information here. See this? Find your meal plan. You type in your height. Oh, you can't see that part there. Let's go tap in. Let's see if we can get. Oh, there we go. Step 3. What is your weight? I mean, what is your height? How much do you weigh? Let's see. I am about 6, not 61. I'm about 6'1". I think I'm around 215 right now. And then we're gonna hit. What does that say up there? We're not gonna worry about that, but you're gonna want to worry about that. View your meal plan. All right. Oh yeah, it did show had like a graph for plan A, plan B, plan C, and D. It chose D for me. So I'm gonna want to click on one of these guys here. It shows you different foods that you can eat throughout the day. So your breakfast is gonna have a meal plan for you for breakfast. It has a meal plan for you for snacks. Has a meal plan for lunches, more snacks through the day. Has your dinner, and it has your snack meals. That's 30 protein, 30 grams of protein there, 300 calorie snack, 600 calorie dinner meal, 40 grams of protein. Another snack, your lunch, light lunch, 300 calories, 30 grams of protein. Snack, another snack with 20 grams of protein. You see where I'm getting at here. And you can just click on this, and this is one of the plans. And what it does is, it will show you. Let's go to dinner. I'm sure you guys are probably interested more in dinner. You can understand lunch, you can understand the snack, and even breakfast. But dinner is a little bit more complicated for a lot of people. So look at that. You can find recipes. All right. Now this is showing you different meal plans that Herbalife can help you prepare for your plan, your meal plan. And you can load more, find the recipes, and what you do is you see the Herbalife product right there. It's all Herbalife products, but I mean some of the meats, and like this has salmon and avocado. Of course you're not going to get salmon and avocado from Herbalife, but they will provide you with the powders and some of the stuff that you add to the foods, and it'll tell you what kind of meats or what type of foods. It breaks down everything, so it's simple for you guys to know what's going on. You got it? But yeah, I'm back. I'm happy today because I just had a sip of some wine. Well, I had a whole glass of wine. I got this little system here. This is an opener. Those are like closed stoppers or whatever for the wine. You see one on top there. You can twist it. Damn. Focus, baby. Forget it. But you get the point. And this thing's pretty cool here. I just bought this little gadget because I had some stomach issues and I wasn't able to drink alcohol for a long time. And I am slowly progressing back to drinking, but a healthier source of alcohol, which is red wine, and it's Pinot Noir, however you say that. And that is what I've been hearing, the best wine or type of alcohol to drink. And this is the best wine to drink, and it's a red wine. This bottle was not that expensive. It was like 55, 60 bucks for this particular brand, this particular bottle here. And then I got this aeration little thing too. I guess this strips the air from out of the wine. And I've drank red wine before in the past, and this does make a difference. I drank this wine here. It came highly recommended by one of the guys at Total Wine, and he was telling me to get this one. It was fairly priced, and it had a pretty good rating on it. So a lot of people like this particular wine. So I snatched this one up, and it's good stuff. It's real smooth. So I was really shocked. Usually wine is red wine is a little tart and it's dry, and you don't really have too much flavor. But this is actually really smooth, It's not tart and it has a little bit of flavor to it, not sweet, but it's real smooth. And you don't taste the alcohol at all, and I really like this. And then I bought this cup too. I was gonna review it a long time ago, but this is like a wine cup. You put it in the freezer, and it has like little gel stuff on the inside of between the plastic, not in the cup. The cup is empty, but there's stuff around the cup, and it freezes it. So, and it's specifically for wine, but you can use it for anything. But I use it like a little wine cup. Well, now I'm gonna use it as a wine cup, but you just pour the wine in there, wish it around a little bit, and it gets cold. You know, cools off, and then you got a perfect glass of wine, red wine. So we're gonna wrap this thing up. Like I said, make sure you go click on the link in the description of the video. Order you up some Herbalife, man. Get healthy, man. If you want to get fit, get fit. Use Herbalife to help you get that, to get that body goal, them body goals met. You know what I mean? And or if you want to have side little business or something, you can sign up as a distributor with Herbalife, and you can sell some of these products. You can sell them personally. They have ways they have plans that will help you if you wanted to open your own Herbalife store in your neighborhood. You wanted to open a store other than like how I do it with the website online, you could just do that too. And they will send you pamphlets of a wealth of information that will help you reach the goal that you're trying to meet. That's the cool thing about Herbalife. So if you have the time and availability, like I'm really busy, I have a lot of stuff going on. That's why I do it like how I do it. I'm helping you guys out, trying to put y'all on. So, but if you had the time and availability, you want to do that and really get involved, they have a lot of different training programs online and physical places that you can actually go to, get mentors and all kind of stuff. All you got to do is sign up, hit the link in the description of the video, and follow the instruction. Like, you can become a sponsor. I mean, use my sponsor code and become a distributor with Herbalife, and you will get a wealth of information sent to you with some free products. I forgot to say, you get free products that will come along with your membership purchase of $100, and you get in there. And I think there's a promotion going on right now, so you might want to take advantage of that. But yeah, I mean, until the next video, you guys stay tuned. Look at this, more recipes. You want to go to Indonesia? You can go to Indonesia and get some of their recipes. You want to go to South Korea? They got South Korean recipes. Look at that. Let's get zoomed in on there with that camera. South Korea, Indonesia, Mexico, and there's other places you want to go. If you want to go wherever you want to go, you can make it happen, baby. Well, y'all stay tuned. Until next time.